Welcome to the CyberOptics booth here at SMT AI in Minneapolis. Delighted to be joined by Cy Creed. Good to see you, Cy.
Hey, good to see you too. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
good.
It's been a good show so far, and nice to see that the conferences are busy too.
Yeah, had great traffic coming through this morning so far.
That's good. That's good. So we've talked about the SQ3000 a number of times in previous interviews, but today I want to look at something that's been on your radar for a couple of years now, but we haven't talked about it, which is the QX250i.
Correct. It's a QX system, which is our 2D AOI system. It's a 12 micron resolution SIM, what we call SIM, Strobe inspection module.
Okay.
And it's a multi-configuration system or platform in the fact that, so we get into pre-reflow AOI, we can do it with a top-only SIM.
Okay.
We can do post-selective solder, which is where I'm basically trying to create a segment for that, for AOI after selective solder. And you can do a bottom-only inspection AOI, so you can look at the through-hole leads.
Right.
And then, of course, we have the 250, which is a top and bottom simultaneous inspection AOI system. So, again, looking at the post-selective, post-wave application for AOI.
Right. Okay. So it's quite versatile in that respect. And it's an inline machine, of course. So it keeps
It can
up
be
with the
inline
speed.
or offline, either
Okay.
or.
Okay.
It's a complete pass-through system, so the board never stops unless there's a defect.
Right.
So it doesn't hurt production or anything like that. So a lot of the high-volume guys that want to do pre-reflow, for instance, in SMT, they'll use this because it's 200 square centimeters per second.
Right.
So it's very fast.
Right. Yeah, and of course, being a 2D system, it can read the nomenclature or the
Sure.
barcodes and that kind of stuff.
Correct, yeah. So you're doing your typical presence, absence, polarity, X, Y, Z, or not Z, sorry, theta for your skew, and of course your text and polarity marks and that kind of thing.
Right. And what sort of component sizes can you get down to?
01005s.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. So it's a pretty decent resolution then.
Yeah, most of your 2D systems are going to be anywhere from 20 to 25 to 30 micron resolution, where we're coming in at 12.
Right.
So.
That's quite a difference. Yeah.
Correct.
Great. Super. So anything else? What about the software driving it? Is that fairly intuitive? Is that the same suite that you're using?
Yeah, so we've updated the software suite to go along with the SQ and our SE systems for SPI and our 3D AOI system. So you're using basically the same interface. So it's very commonality between the systems now. We've also incorporated our AI squared, which is our autonomous image interpretation software or AI software.
Okay.
So we're reducing false calls.
Right.
So we don't want somebody sitting at the machine all day going pass, which is typical for 2D.
Yeah.
So with the AI software that we have, we're able to reduce complete false calls down
really
to almost
narrow that
nothing.
window.
Right.
Yeah. That's great. Super. Oh, well, thank you for telling us a bit about it today. So that's the XQ250i. What does the I stand for?
I don't know. Inline, I guess.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. Well, thank you for sharing that with us today, Cy, and we look forward to hearing more from you. Anything coming out for next year? Like, I mean, you got Apex just around the corner.
We've got Apex around the corner. We're going to be showing more of the QX250i in a special situation that I think you'll get a good hoot with.
Okay. All right. We'll look forward to that then.
All right. Thank
Thanks.
you, guys.
Thank you.